Alright guys, the poster portion of the career project, I'm going to kind of give you a crash course in Publisher. Instead of doing everything by hand, I want to try and utilize this that way we can print everything out full size in color. So Publisher's a Microsoft product. So you won't be able to do this on your Chromebooks. So you'll need to utilize one of the desktops in the room. Once you get logged on the left side, you'll click on the window button, and then you have to scroll down to find Publisher. When it opens up, it will look something like this. You won't have anything here unless you've used it before. I'm going to click for more blank page sizes. I get a whole list of different ones, and I'm going to come down here to posters. And it's taking a second to load. This Publisher is basically a page layout software program. My plan is once you finish it and I get back, I utilize the new printer and print these out, and then we can put them on display up on the walls in the classroom or out in the hallway. Alright, there's seems to be a problem. It's not loading, so I'm going to go back and kind of set it up manually. So I just hit cancel. I'm going to go up here to create a new page size. Alright, I'm going to give it a name. Career poster. Alright, the page size. I'm going to go 24 by 36. That's it. Unfreezes here. So my page width 24 by 36. We'll use the large format printer, and it crashed. Let me pause for a second and get it back open again. Alright, so I got it open now. So these rulers at the top kind of help you line stuff up, get sizes. So again, I have it set up. Here's my 0. It's 24 wide, 36 long, and then it's a 1/2 inch margin all the way around. For however you want to lay out the poster is completely up to you. I just want to show you a couple things that might help you out. When you add text in, so you can do a text box. I can modify and make the text box bigger. Alright, let's say alright, looks microscopic. That's because this is a very large sheet of paper. So if I select it, I can change my font size up here. Alright, I can change my font style. here to whatever, and then I can do different word art styles to add effects to it. If I want to zoom in some, if I click view, if I go 100%, it'll zoom in. So it'd be true scale. If I want to back out, I can adjust the overall percentage here. Or easy one, if I hit page width, it'll zoom out to where I can see the edges of the paper. So the text box, you can rotate them if you'd want to rotate them. If you go by, click and grab the edges of the box, you can move it around. These handles will allow you to adjust the size down depending on you want. If you want to undo, this Control Z. If you are trying to line some things up, you can drag guidelines over. So if I go over here with my cursor to where the ruler is and click and drag, I can bring a guideline over. The guidelines won't print, but that will allow me, if I want to line text up or pictures or whatever, it will allow me to do that. Alright, so I showed text, pictures. Say you can insert pictures. Let me just go online here. So you can search this way, and I can import. So I'll just bring in this lathe here. Click insert. Same thing. I can adjust the size. I can click and grab it. I can use guidelines to line stuff up. If you can't find what you're looking for with online pictures, if you search through Google and find in their image search a picture that you want, you can just save it, and then you can use the pictures button to insert it. See if I got any saved in my picture folder. Insert it, and same thing. So that's bringing in text. There's a whole bunch of different effects and styles that you can mess around with, explore. Don't be afraid of using color, including different images on the poster. You want to include all of the information that you did your research and put into your outline, and then that's also the same information that you use to create your PowerPoint. So this will kind of be the third and final product from this assignment. And if I had more time, I would show you more tips and tricks with this. I took a whole class, online class with this years ago. So there's information rattling around in my head that I just haven't used for a while. But remember, there's the internet. You can always Google search and they'll give you tons of different options and tricks and probably things that weren't even around when I learned how to do it. All right. So this is again first time I'm doing it this way. I've done the posters normally by hand, but I want to try and do them digitally and print them out and see if they turn out nicer than the ones we've done before. So if you're running into any problems, try and help each other out. If I'm not here, ask the sub, and please be kind and polite to them, because who knows what their background or experience is. All right. Have yourself a good day.